Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about how to improve your art. Got DM from someone telling me they practice every day for hours, but nothing gets better, so I wanted to make this video. Tip number 1, sketch every day. Sketching every day is a great way to hone your skills. I usually go to Pinterest to look for inspiration. And your sketchbook doesn't have to be pretty. Make it a habit, try to sketch every day for an hour. If you struggle to do it every day, try to challenge yourself to sketch for 30 minutes every day. Learn the basics. Search for resources like online tutorials. There are a lot on YouTube, and you can find step-by-step tutorials on Pinterest. Use a reference. Having a reference is going to help you so much. When I was young, I used to draw without a reference and get frustrated and angry at myself for not capturing the image I saw in my head. So don't do that to yourself and always use a reference. Draw what you love. Don't force yourself to draw things you're not interested in. It will make it harder for you to stay consistent and form a habit, so find what you love and keep drawing. I personally love anime and portrait, so I find it easy to draw for hours. Don't rely on motivation, because it will run out. You have to make drawing every day a habit, so you'll improve fast. Focus on your weakness. It's important to know your weakness and overcome it. You have to step out your comfort zone and experiment and try different techniques. Start simple. When sketching, don't focus on the details. Start simple and basic, and work from there, and add details later. Sketches don't have to be perfect right away. Grab inspiration from other artists. Look for artists whose style you like and study their work and imitate what you like about their art. To learn, but don't ever trace other artists' work, because it will teach you nothing. Book I really recommend about this topic is Still Like an Artist. Don't compare your work to others. Comparing your own work is a great way to destroy your self-worth. You should instead compare your current work to your past work to see your improvement. I always feel so much better when I look at my old drawings and I know that I improved so much. The thing about art is you're never going to be 100% satisfied, and that's okay. All artists feel that way. Don't worry about not being good enough. Focus on the progress you're going to make in the future, and good luck.